So for today, I will teach you how to find your Trust Wallet secret recovery phrase. So for you to able to find your recovery phrase on your Trust Wallet, of course you need your Trust Wallet installed on your mobile device, and after that, just simply access it, and once you're in, click on the My Wallet or any name of your wallet, which is the drop down menu on the top. And after clicking that, you will see this page, which is the wallet section. And for you to able to find your specific wallet, and for you to able to find your specific wallet secret recovery phrase, you just have to click the three dots beside your wallet. And after that, just simply click the iCloud or even the manual for you to able to find your recovery phrase. So once you click in, Trust Wallet will ask for your password. So after that, you will just click these two buttons right here for you to able to continue and see your recovery phrase. So in my case, I will not show you my recovery phrase, of course, for you to not access my wallet. So that's how you find your Trust Wallet secret recovery phrase. And if you find it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. If you have any questions or suggestions, just drop them in the comment section. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.